Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video is going to feature 8 trending haircut options and ideas that you can wear in 2023. Loving this beautiful lob haircut, followed by this gorgeous hair transformation. So if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, feel free to give this one a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we see beautiful asymmetrical pixie haircuts. This is also known as a longer pixie style. And then we move on to a very popular hair trend, and that is, of course, the shaggy haircut. So she's going to also be getting some color with this one as well. Absolutely gorgeous. Love how this hairstyle combines not only one but two very popular hair trends in one stunning transformation. Next up, we have this beautiful cascading style bob. Gorgeous classic bob style. Then we have another bob haircut that features gorgeous hair coloring as well. Gorgeous side swept feathered bangs. And then we see this stunning pixie hair transformation. Beautiful baby bangs with this one and gorgeous choppy layers throughout. Beautiful. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.